You have arrived at our in-depth exploration of the Bermuda Triangle, a region of the North Atlantic Ocean where stories of disappearances have captivated audiences for generations. Come with us as we analyze the tales to check if they are based on reality or fiction. Even though the exact borders of the Bermuda Triangle are up for discussion, most people agree that it begins in the westernmost tip of Florida and extends northeasternly to Bermuda and southeastward to Puerto Rico. This triangular area has become synonymous with strange occurrences. The mysterious disappearance of almost 50 ships and 20 aeroplanes has given the Bermuda Triangle its sinister reputation. There have been reports of these occurrences since the middle of the 19th century, when reports of missing planes and ships began to surface. The Flight 19 tragedy of 1945 is among the most well-known and terrifying incidents. A regular training mission was set out by 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers, with 14 crew members on board. Unfortunately, their compasses failed 2 hours after launch, rendering them bewildered. All 5 planes eventually disappeared from radar, even though they tried to get their bearings back. The enormous U.S. Navy cargo ship USS Cyclops vanished into thin air in the Bermuda Triangle in 1918 while transporting manganese and troops. The disappearance of the ship and the 306 individuals on board remain a mystery to investigators. The mystery of the unidentified ship that Ellen Austin encountered in the Bermuda Triangle is the subject of yet another fascinating narrative. From the outside, the ship seemed regular, but inside, it was empty. On 2 occasions, the Ellen Austin dispatched crew members aboard to try to tow the vessel, but both the ship and its crew vanished without a trace. The mythology surrounding the Bermuda Triangle goes back well before the phrase was even invented. Legends of compass malfunctions and unexplained light phenomena have persisted for more than 5 centuries. An article in Argosy magazine from 1964 popularized the term Bermuda Triangle for the first time. Now let's see Flight 19 incident in more detail. Commencing a training mission over the Bermuda Triangle, Commander Charles Taylor and his squadron of Avenger fighter bombers lifted off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida on December 5, 1945. There was moderate cloud cover and choppy waters, so the weather wasn't as perfect as expected. Taylor became disoriented since his compass stopped working. Though some pilots did experience this compass problem, it was far from common. There was a wide range of pilot experience. Some were fresh out of school and had little to no experience at all. Taylor was known to have a troubled past, what with his reputation for excessive drinking and his history of accidentally ditching his plane. Flight 19 disappearance. While conspiracy theories often depict Flight 19 as a mysterious and unexplained disappearance, a factual analysis shows multiple errors in the flight's execution. Squadron continued to sail more out to sea due to Taylor's inadequate navigational abilities, his malfunctioning compass, and cloud cover. While other pilots advocated heading west, Taylor strongly urged continuing east, which carried them further into the ocean. The plane went down because its fuel tank was empty too soon. Rather than being caused by otherworldly forces, the disappearance of Flight 19 was due to human mistakes and bad decision-making. Search and rescue aircraft. The search and rescue aircraft dispatched to find Flight 19 did not mysteriously vanish. Witnesses reported seeing a fireball crashing into the ocean, which led to the discovery of plane debris and an oil slick. Lloyd's of London's records. Lloyd's of London has systematically recorded incidents in the Bermuda Triangle. Lloyd's is a maritime insurance with extensive archives of maritime catastrophes worldwide. The Bermuda Triangle is a heavily trafficked sea lane used by cruise ships, cargo ships, and vessels traveling to and from the southern U.S. ports. Due to the high volume of traffic in the area, accidents and ship losses occur at a rate comparable to other maritime regions. Scientific explanations. Beyond supernatural theories, several scientific explanations have been proposed for the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries. Magnetic anomalies. Magnetic anomalies refer to irregularities in the Earth's magnetic field. In the Bermuda Triangle, there is a convergence of the magnetic and geographic North Poles, which creates a unique magnetic environment. Some theories suggest that these anomalies can interfere with the operation of compasses and other navigational instruments. This interference could lead to incorrect readings and navigational errors by sailors and pilots. It's important to note that while magnetic anomalies exist in the area, their influence on modern navigation technology is limited due to advancements in compass design and GPS systems. Shallow waters. Satellite maps have indeed revealed that a significant portion of the Bermuda Triangle consists of shallow waters, hidden shoals, and submerged hazards. Ships passing through this region may encounter these underwater obstacles without warning, especially if they deviate from established shipping lanes or encounter adverse weather conditions. Groundings can occur, leading to accidents and potentially contributing to the mystery surrounding the area. Frequent hurricanes. The Bermuda Triangle is known for its high frequency of hurricanes and tropical storms. This region falls within the Atlantic hurricane basin, where these powerful storms often form. Hurricanes in the Bermuda Triangle can develop suddenly and intensify rapidly, posing a significant threat to vessels navigating the area. Sudden and violent storms can overwhelm ships and aircraft, leading to accidents and disappearances. Methane gas theory. In some ocean regions, including parts of the Bermuda Triangle, there are large deposits of methane hydrates beneath the seafloor. Methane hydrates are a combination of methane gas and water molecules. When disturbed, they can release methane bubbles into the water. These released methane bubbles can reduce the water's density, potentially causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. This phenomenon is known as methane hydrate destabilization. While this theory has been proposed, it's important to note that the presence of methane hydrates in the Bermuda Triangle and their direct connection to disappearances remains a subject of debate among scientists. However, scientists indicate that the last significant methane release in the Bermuda Triangle occurred around 15,000 years ago, making this theory less plausible for recent incidents. The Baader-Meinhof Effect. A psychological phenomenon known as the Baader-Meinhof Effect, or frequency illusion, may play a role in the Bermuda Triangle mystery. When people become aware of disappearances in the area, they tend to notice similar incidents more often, creating the impression of a higher frequency of events. These scientific explanations provide rational hypotheses for some of the mysteries associated with the Bermuda Triangle. However, it's essential to emphasize that the Bermuda Triangle's notoriety for incidents and disappearances has also been fueled by myths, exaggerations, and a lack of concrete evidence in many cases. Scientific consensus. The U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration asserts that there is no concrete evidence to suggest that mysterious disappearances occur more frequently in the Bermuda Triangle than in other well-traveled ocean areas. In fact, many similar incidents have occurred elsewhere in the world's oceans. While the Bermuda Triangle has been steeped in legend and intrigue for centuries, a closer examination reveals that many of its mysteries can be attributed to natural phenomena and human psychology. The Bermuda Triangle, while captivating, may not be the perilous enigma it's often portrayed to be. The Bermuda Triangle is a captivating region in the North Atlantic Ocean, renowned for its mysterious disappearances. While the legend has persisted for centuries, scientific explanations such as magnetic anomalies, shallow waters, hurricanes, and methane hydrates offer plausible answers to many of its mysteries. Additionally, the Baader-Meinhof Effect may contribute to the perception of a higher frequency of incidents. In light of scientific consensus, the Bermuda Triangle's reputation may be more a product of myth and perception than actual danger. The Bermuda Triangle's mysteries can be largely explained by human error, navigational challenges, and natural dangers of the ocean. The stories of alien spacecraft, Atlantean fire crystals, and other supernatural elements are debunked by factual data. The enduring allure of the Bermuda Triangle may stem from our fascination with mysteries, but scientific evidence points to rational explanations for the incidents that have occurred in this region. We appreciate you coming along on this adventure with us, and until we meet again, keep seeking answers to the mysteries that surround us.